Hello children, welcome to the today's session, grade 7th social science. So I hope you are all doing well at home. So I hope that you are all following the classes well and you people are maintaining notes well also. Okay, so now, so my dear children, in the previous session, what we discussed? We discussed about the Bahmani Sultans, especially so the United Bahmani Sultans. United means what? The combined Bahmani Sultans. And more importantly, see, I'll pose you one question to you. Who is the important person from the Bahmani kingdom? Is not a king of the dynasty, he is a prime minister of Muhammad III. Muhammad III is none other than who? That Muhammad Gawan is a person from Persia. He is worked as a prime minister under Muhammad III and he achieved great prominence in the entire kingdom of Bahmani Sultans. That is the reason why more than a king in that dynasty, the prime minister Muhammad Gawan is very important. But see, the prominence of Muhammad Gawan, the remaining religious leaders are unable to tolerate. Due to that reason, Muhammad Gawan is killed. That is the reason why, if you look at on the tomb of Muhammad Gawan, there is a one line that is innocent Gawan was killed. Innocent Gawan was killed. Okay. So here, which is the important architectural contribution from the Muhammad Gawan children? Madrasa College at Bidar. Madrasa College at Bidar is an important contribution from the Muhammad Gawan. Okay, so after the rule of Muhammad Gawan, what happens in the Bahmani dynasty? Children, after Muhammad Gawan is ruled, actually the prime minister, right? Prime minister under which king ma? He is the prime minister under Muhammad III. Under Muhammad III, Muhammad Gawan is the prime minister. Okay, after the death of Muhammad Gawan, Muhammad came into throne. So now he is unable to rule the kingdom. So what happens after the death of Muhammad Gawan? So that is our today discussion. Okay, let us move on to the first slide, children. After the death of Muhammad Gawan, the kingdom entirely became very weak. After Muhammad Gawan, see, Muhammad came to power. Muhammad came to power. Who is a Muhammad? He is the son of Muhammad III. I hope you are understanding, right? Muhammad III under Muhammad Gawan worked as a prime minister. So here, after Muhammad III, Muhammad came into rule, but he is a minor. Minor means what? Below 18 years boy, below 18 years people will be considered as a minor. He is a little boy. He is unable to rule the kingdom, right? That is the reason why at that time the last king who came to rule, that is Sultan Kalimullah Shah. Sultan Kalimullah Shah is the last king of United Bahmani dynasty. Here the word is very important, children. Sultan Kalimullah Shah. Sultan Kalimullah Shah is the last king of United Bahmani dynasty. Who is that person? Sultan Kalimullah Shah. After the death of Sultan Kalimullah Shah, the United Bahmani kingdom is divided into five Shahi dynasty. The entire Bahmani kingdom is divided into five Shahi dynasty. See, here I mentioned in this slide, I mentioned five Shahi dynasties along with their capital. So here, first one will be Adil Shahis of Vijayapura. Vijayapura at present it is known as Bijapur. Bijapur, Vijayapura both are same. Here Adil Shahis are king name. Vijayapura is their capital. Vijayapura or Bijapur is their capital. So the first five Shahi, the first dynasty among five Shahi dynasties, that is Adil Shah of Vijayapura. Adil Shah of Vijayapura. Next, Barid Shahi of Bidar. Barid Shahi of Bidar. Barid Shahi is kingdom, Bidar is their capital. Bidar is their capital. Kutub Shahi is of Golconda. Golconda means at present Hyderabad is there, right? That is Golconda. Kuli Kutub Shah. Kuli Kutub Shah. You may get to know the one important architecture in Hyderabad, children. That is Charminar. That is a contribution from Kutub Shah's. Next. Nizam Shahs of Ahmednagar. Nizam Shahs of Ahmednagar. And after that, Imad Shah of Berar. Imad Shah of Berar. So again I will repeat pronunciation. You must to clear, children. Adil Shah of Vijaypura. Adil Shah of Vijaypura. Barid Shahi of Bedar. Kutub Shahi of Golconda, Nizam Shahi of Ahmednagar, Imad Shahi of Berar. So after the king Sultan Kalimullah Shah, the entire united Bahmani kingdom is divided into 5 dynasties. So the 5 dynasties are Shahi dynasties. After the which king? Salimullah Sultan Salimullah Shah. Okay. Let us discuss some more information about these Shahi dynasties. So, the first dynasty is Adil Shah of Vijayapura. Adil Shah of Vijayapura. Here, what is their capital? Vijayapura is their capital. Who is the founder here? Yusuf Adil Khan. Yusuf Adil Khan was the founder of this dynasty. Yusuf Adil Khan was the founder of Adil Shahiyas of Vijaypura. He is a good administrator. He is a very good administrator. But in this kingdom, Ibrahim Adil Shah too is very important. The prominent king in the Adil Shahis of Vijaypura, that is Ibrahim Adil Shah II. Ibrahim Adil Shah II is a prominent most prominent king among Adil Shahis of Vijaypura, that is Ibrahim Adil Shah II. So children, here 2 points you must remember. The first dynasty among 5, Adil Shahis of Vijaypura. Adil Shahis of Vijaypura. Who is the founder? Yusuf Adil Khan. Yusuf Adil Khan was the founder. He is a good administrator. And who is a prominent king here? Ibrahim Adil Shah II. Ibrahim Adil Shah II. Now, why Ibrahim Adil Shah II is very important? So, first of all, he is a very kind in this dynasty. He is a very important king in the Adil Shahis of Vijaypura. See, moreover that, he maintained a very good religious tolerance. Religious tolerance. Religious tolerance means what? Is very kind towards other religion people. Is very kind towards other religion people. That is the reason why Ibrahim Adil Shah earned a title that is known as Jagat Guru Badshah. He earned the title that is known as Jagat Guru Badshah. See, in his court, most of the Hindu poets are there, and most of the Hindus are appointed in a work. And moreover that, he renovated. What is the meaning of the word renovated? Renovated means repaired. Datta temple. Datta means a Hindu temple. He renovated Datta temple and he started Hindu puja rituals in that temples. So always is worked towards the cultural harmony in between Hindu and Muslim. So that is the reason why Ibrahim Adil Shah II is very important person. Remember children carefully, Ibrahim Adil Shah II is a prominent king of Adil Shahis of Vijaypura. Is maintained a very good religious tolerance. That is the reason why he had the title Jagat Guru Badshah. Jagat Guru Badshah. He renovated Datta temple. Datta temple means Hindi temple and encouraged puja rituals. Always he is worked towards cultural harmony. Harmony means what? Peace in between Hindus as well as Muslims. So far children, we discussed that. Just recall the information. After Muhammad Gawan, remaining kings are weak. So who is the last king? Sultan Kalimullah Shah is the last king of United Bahmani dynasty. After the rule of Sultan Kalimullah Shah, the entire Bahmani kingdom is divided into five Shahi dynasties. Among that five Shahi dynasties, now we are discussing about Adil Shahis of Vijaypura. Adil Shah, Yusuf Adil Khan is a founder of this dynasty, and Ibrahim Adil Shah too is a prominent person in this kingdom. Now, and children, Ibrahim Adil Shah too wrote one book that is known as Kitab-e-Navaras. Kitab-e-Navaras. Kitab-e-Navaras is a book written by Ibrahim Adil Shah too. Ibrahim Adil Shah too. See, why this book is very important, means children. This book is started with the songs of worshipping gods like Ganapati, Saraswati, and Bhairava. So the gods like Ganapati, Saraswati, Bhairava, with those gods' prayer songs, this book will start. Kitab-e-Navaras. And moreover, children, in the initial sessions of this lesson, I shown you some pictures, right? Yes, identify which picture it is. That is Ibrahim Roja. Ibrahim Roza, that is one of the important construction that is constructed by Ibrahim Adil Shah too only. Ibrahim Roza constructed by Ibrahim Adil Shah too. So it is known as Taj Mahal of South India. Why, you know? He want to construct a architecture that should be more prominent than Taj Mahal. So that is the reason why he constructed a very good architecture in Vijayapura, that is known as Ibrahim Roza. Children, which is the book written by the Ibrahim Adil Shah too, that is known as Kitab-e-Navaras. So this book is a best example for how how Ibrahim Adil Shah too maintained religious tolerance, because this book starts with the songs of Ganapati, Saraswati, and Bhairava, and more importantly, the important construction that is Ibrahim Roza constructed by the Ibrahim Adil Shah too. Now, next kingdom, that is Barid Shah of Bidar. Barid Shah of Bidar. So next, Barid Shah of Bidar. Here, Qasim Barid was the founder of this dynasty. Qasim Barid. Children, Qasim Barid is the founder, and their capital what here? Bidar is their capital. Bidar is their capital. After him, after Qasim Barid, Ibrahim is came to power, but is also incompetent. That is the reason why, and the later stage, this Bidar is merged with Vijayapura. Why? Because means at that time Ibrahim Adil Shah too ruling Vijayapura. So he defeated Ibrahim, and after that Ibrahim Adil Shah taken this Bidar to the Vijayapura. So here this is a very small description, children. Barid Shah of Bidar. Barid Shah of Bidar. So what is their capital? Bidar is their capital. Qasim Barid is a founder of this dynasty. Qasim Barid. So after Qasim Barid, Ibrahim came to rule, but he is incompetent king. That is the reason why Ibrahim Adil Shah of Vijaypura captured Bidar, and after that Bidar also merged with Vijaypura. So children, the second dynasty in the Bahmani what? That is Barid Shah of Bidar. Barid Shah of Bidar. So who is the founder of Barid Shah of Bidar dynasty? Qasim Barid is a founder. Qasim Barid. Here in this dynasty, we are unable to say that who is the prominent king, because there is no much description about these kings. Next. Now, Qutub Shahis of Golconda. So here their capital is Golconda. Their capital is Golconda. So here the founder of this dynasty is Kuli Qutub Shah. Kuli Qutub Shah was the founder of this dynasty. Here their initial capital is Golconda. Initial capital. If you go for Hyderabad, if you observe that Golconda fort will be there. That is the important construction from these kings only. So Qutub Shah, Kuli Qutub Shah is the founder. Kuli Qutub Shah is the founder of Golconda. He is a good administrator. But what you know? Here Kuli Qutub Shah killed by his own son only. Kuli Qutub Shah killed by his own son. You may get to know doubt, right? Sir, why his own children only uh, kill the father means? Here the throne, they want to capture the throne. The trustiness of the position king will made will made the son to kill the father, own father itself. So here Kuli Qutub Shah is the founder of this dynasty. Here the prominent king is Ibrahim. Ibrahim is a prominent king. So during his rule he made Golconda is a beautiful city. He made Golconda is a beautiful city, and after that he changed the capital from Golconda to Hyderabad. Golconda to Hyderabad. Children, carefully listen, think carefully here. Here the king is Ibrahim. He made the Golconda city a very beautiful, and he changed the capital of Kuli Qutub Shahs from Golconda to Hyderabad. So initial stage the capital is Golconda. After that they changed their capital to the Hyderabad. So here Kuli Qutub Shah. Qutub Shah is of Golconda. Qutub Shah is of Golconda. Kuli Qutub Shah is a founder. After Kuli Qutub Shah, Ibrahim came to rule. So he made Golconda is a very attractive city, and he changed the capital from Golconda to Hyderabad. So after Ibrahim, another kings came to rule. That is Abdul Qutub Shah and Abdu Hassan. Abdul Qutub Shah and Abdu Hassan, other rulers are came to rule, but they are very incompetent. That is the reason why this Golconda dynasty surrendered to whom? Mughals. The Mughal rules captured this Golconda dynasty. So after Ibrahim, no other ruler ruled with most efficient administration. That is the reason why finally this Golconda dynasty is merged with whom, children? That is Mughals. So my dear children, in this session we discussed five Shahi dynasties. In that five Shahi dynasties, so far we discussed three. One will be Adil Shahis of Vijaypura, Barid Shahis of Bidar, Qutub Shahis of Golconda. Adil Shahis of Vijaypura, Barid Shahi of Bidar, Qutub Shahis of Golconda. So here the picture I have mentioned here. This is one of the important. This is one of the important architecture, that is Charminar. Charminar. So especially if you go for during Ramzan in Hyderabad, the decoration of Charminar is very attractive, and it is a most of the attractive architecture in the Hyderabad. This is a construction. This is a construction started by the Kuli Qutub Shah. So during the region of Qutub Shahi dynasty, this construction is taken place. So here, children, Ibrahim Adil Shah too, he constructed what? Ibrahim Roja, right? So during Kuli Qutub Shah, Charminar, it is one of the important construction taken place. So now, children, let us recall the today's session once. So children, let me recall the today's session right here. Today class we discussed that Shah dynasties, who is the last king of United Bahmani Kingdom, that is Sultan Kalimullah Shah, and after that these five Shahi dynasties. One is Adil Shahis of Vijaypura, Barid Shahis of Bidar, Qutub Shahis of Golconda, Nizam Shahis of Ahmednagar, and Imam Shahis of Berar. So, first three dynasties we discussed today. First of all, Adil Shah of Vijaypura. We discussed who is a prominent king here? Ibrahim Adil Shah II. So, why he is very prominent? I described in these slides. So, here in the title, Jagat Guru Badshah, and moreover that he wrote one book that is known as Kitab-e-Navras, and important construction Ibrahim Roza constructed by the Ibrahim Adil Shah II, and after that Barid Shah, Qasim Barid is the founder. So after that Bidar is captured by the Ibrahim Adil Shah II, the dynasty is ended, and after that Qutub Shah is of Golconda, Kuli Qutub Shah is the founder. After Kuli Qutub Shah, Ibrahim, and finally here we discussed about see children in the Kuli Qutub Shahi dynasties. After Qutub Shahi dynasties, after Kuli Qutub Shah, Ibrahim is came to power. After Ibrahim, remaining all the kings are incompetent. They don't know how to rule with proper administration. That's what the reason why this dynasty, Golconda dynasty, handed over, surrendered to the Mughal Empire. So the famous construction that is constructed by the Kuli Qutub Shah dynasty only. Okay, children. So this is the end of today's session. I hope you are very clear about the content. So yeah, among five Shahi dynasties, two more dynasties are there. That the discussion related to that two dynasties will be continuous in the further video. So I hope you are all doing well. So, uh, maintain the notes and maintain the key points in a proper manner, and thank you. Have a nice day.